Hello friends, welcome to Factopedia YouTube channel. Today we are going to know some of the historical facts about India. I believe that you will be happy after knowing these facts about our motherland, India. These facts were recently published in a German magazine which deals with historical facts about India. Number 1. India never invaded any country in her last 10,000 years of history. So, it can be concluded from this fact that India has a surplus variety of resources due to which India never seen to invade any other country. Number 2, India invented the number system and zero was also invented by an Indian scientist named as Aryabhatta. He is known as the inventor of zero and he is also named for the approximation of pi and the notable ideas provided by the Aryabhat are explanation of lunar eclipse and solar eclipse, rotation of earth on its axis, reflection of light by moon, sinusoidal functions which everyone studies in class 11th, means every science student studies, and solution of single variable quadratic equation. It is also related to a math concept. Value of pi correct to 4 decimal places. And if you also know the value of pi correct to 4 decimal places, then please comment in the comment box. And circumference of earth to 99.8% accuracy is given by Aryabhat. Calculation of the length of sidereal year. These are all done by famous scientist Aryabhat. Therefore, he is also known as the father of astronomy. Number 3. The world's first university was established in Takshila in 700 BC, before Christ. More than 10,500 students from all over the world studied more than 60 subjects here, and the University of Nalanda, built in the 4th century BC, was one of the greatest achievements of ancient India in the field of education. Number 4, we see Sanskrit is the mother of all the European languages. Sanskrit is the most suitable language for computer software, reported in Forbes magazine in July 1987. Number 5 fact says Ayurveda is the earliest school of medicine known to humans. Charka, the father of medicine, consolidated Ayurveda 2500 years ago. Today, Ayurveda is fast regaining its rightful place in our civilization. Number 6 says, although modern images of India often show poverty and lack of development, India was the richest country on earth until the time of British invasion in the early 17th century. As you can see in the graph plotted in this photo, we see the GDP of India was altogether around 33%, while the country of Western Europe are just below 1%. So we can say that India was a bird of gold, we can say, in earlier times. But after the invasion of British in India, India faced a lot of loss to its natural resources. Number 7. The art of navigation was born in the river Sindh 6000 years ago. The word navigation is derived from the Sanskrit word navgati. The word navy is also derived from Sanskrit now. Number 8. Bhaskaracharya calculated the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. Time taken by Earth to orbit the Sun that was decided, or we can say experimentally verified, in the 5th century is approximately 365.25 days. This is the only reason that February has 29 days in 4 years, once in a 4 years. So Bhaskaracharya was a great astronomer and mathematician of ancient India, and he was the first person to calculate the time taken by Earth to orbit the Sun. Number 9. The value of pi was first calculated by Buddhayan. He was a saint and he explained the concept of what is known as the Pythagoras theorem. He discovered this in the 6th century, long before the European mathematicians does. Number 10. Algebra, trigonometry and calculus came from India. Quadratic equations were given by Sridharacharya in the 11th century. The largest number the Greeks and the Romans used were 10 to the power 6, where Hindus used numbers as big as 10 to the power 53 with specific names as early as 5000 BCE, before Christ era. During the Vedic period, even today, the largest used number is Tera, means 10 to the power 12. Number 11. According to the Gemological Institute of America, up until 1896, India was the only source for diamonds to the world. So we can say that India has a huge resources in which diamond was only found in India before 1896. After that, due to many expeditions in different countries, the diamonds are found at various places including Africa at present date. Number 12. USA based IEEE has proved what has been a century old suspicion in the world scientific community, that the pioneer of wireless communication was Professor Jagdish Bose and not Marconi, and he was an Indian scientist. So we should feel proud of him, and we should also try to make our country feel proud of us. Number 13. The earliest reservoir and dam for irrigation was built in Saurashtra, which is currently situated in Gujarat, India. Number 14. According to Saka king Rudra Daman I of 150 CE, century Christ era, a beautiful lake called Sudarshana was constructed on the hills of Revat during Chandragupta Maurya's time. Number 15. Chess, also called Shatranj or Ashtpad, was invented in India. Number 16. Sushruta is the father of surgery. He is also known as the pride of India. 2600 years ago, he and health scientists of his time conducted complicated surgeries like cesareans, cataract, artificial limbs, fractures, urinary stones, and even plastic surgery and brain surgery. Usage of anesthesia was well known in ancient India. Over 125 surgical equipment were used. Deep knowledge of anatomy, physiology, etiology, embryology, digestion, metabolism, genetics, and immunity is also found in many texts. Number 17. The Indus Valley Civilization. When many cultures were only nomadic forest dwellers over 5,000 years ago, Indians established Harappan culture in Sindhu Valley, which is presently situated in some areas of Pakistan and Punjab. Number 18. Meghalaya is the wettest inhabited place on earth. It receives the highest rainfall on earth. Number 19. There are a whopping 32 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in the country, India. Number 20. Varanasi is one of the oldest continually inhabited cities in the world. So this completes our video. Thank you friends for watching this complete video. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Keep watching, stay connected. Jai Hind.